Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're told that f of x is equal to 5x squared minus 3. We're told that f of x plus a is equal to 5x squared plus 30x plus 42. We're asked to find the value of a. So if we want to find f of x plus a, all we have to do is treat f of x plus a as an input into this function, right? So if f of x is 5x squared minus 3, f of x plus a is just 5, and then where we have x plugged in here, we plug in f of x, or we plug in x plus a. So 5x squared becomes 5x plus a squared, right? It's the same way that f of y would be 5y squared minus 3. We're just plugging in a different variable. It just happens to be x plus a in this case, and of course the minus 3 at the end. So we have 5 times x plus a times x plus a, because it's squared, minus 3. And now we can distribute. So we have x times x, I'm gonna put the 5 up front, but x times x is x squared, plus ax plus another ax is plus 2ax, and then plus a squared, and then minus 3 at the end. So distributing out the 5 now, we have 5x squared plus 5 times 2 is 10ax plus 5a squared minus 3. And this, we're told, is equal to 5x squared plus 30x plus 42. So 5x squared is equal to 5x squared, so the x squared terms check out. 10ax is equal to 30x, right? For these to be equal, the x squared terms have to be equal, the x terms have to be equal, and the constants have to be equal. So 10ax has to be equal to 30x, and 5a squared minus 3 has to be equal to 42. So either one of these could give you the value of a. I'm going to use this one, it just looks a little bit easier. If you divide both sides by x, these cancel, you get 10a is equal to 30. Divide both sides by 10 to get a on its own. These cancel, you get a is equal to 30 divided by 10 is 3. Just to check that our answer is correct, we can plug it into the other equation, and we have 5 times 3 squared minus 3 is equal to 42. 3 squared is 9, so this is 5 times 9 minus 3 is equal to 42. 5 times 9 is 45, minus 3 is equal to 42. 45 minus 3 is 42, so 42 is equal to 42, and our math checks out. Value of a is 3 in this problem, so C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.